Okay, so I just got to my room, and this room is absolutely insane. Huge bed. Got my table with fresh fruits, bathroom, and then I got my own personal deck, my own personal private pool. Oh my god. Wow. Look at this place. This is insane. Oh my god. This is crazy. Wow, I even got my own personal gazebo looking over the rice terraces. Wow. So this morning we were here at the rice fields and we were going to do some sunrise photos and then head to the Ubud market, and after that we're going to be heading out to the local village. So it should be pretty cool. So that was Mike's first experience of the rice fields. Mike, what do you think?
Dude, so beautiful. It's so cool, man. I'm so stoked that we finally got to check this out, and the fact that it's not raining makes it really awesome.
Yeah, the weather really helped us out today. It's been raining for the past few days, so it's nice to have some clear sky. So we are here at the water temple in Bali, and this is a religious site, so we have to wear sarongs before we enter. This is where the locals come to give their blessings. So they light incense and they place it over top of the fountains there, and they shower in it, so they wash their head afterwards. Wow, look at this place. It's amazing. This place is one of the waterfalls we're stopping at, and it's a waterfall in a cave. Check this out. Look at this place. Woo-hoo-hoo. So you gotta trek through the river to actually make it to the waterfall. Look at my shoes right there. Look at this. Oh, wow. Oh my god, look at this place. It's magical. Okay, so check this place out. This is a waterfall in a cave. This is amazing.